Yan na po yung pichay na tinanim ko po, guys. Noong 2 linggo ata yun. Ito na po siya. So, ganda po. Ito po ngayon ko po tinanim. Yan. Yun po, empty na yan. I make it, I prepare it ready for the next batch. This is the one. This is it. Ayan. Ito pala. Ayan po. Yan po ang ititanim ko po doon sa empty na plastic color green. Yan po. So, ito po yung second batch na pichay. Yan. Yan. Second batch po yan. Ito po is the first batch. Yan. Then, the third batch po is ito. Ay, pareha pala po. Second batch po yan. Kasi ngayon ko pa po yan siya tinanim. Together with this one. So, may marami na po akong kaming seedlings, pichay. So, yan po. Just like what I said that so far, so good. So, naano naman po na makikita niyo naman po yung result. Yung meron po akong video last couple weeks ata yun. Yung nag-harvest po ako ng pechay. So, yan po yung result po. Kaya marami po ako. Nagtanim po ako ng uli ng seedlings po. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you like this video. May God bless everyone. I'll be back later.
This coconut tree in anyway. I'm going to saw it.
Okay, I'm going to throw the roots. Philip did a good job here. Almost clean. That's a huge pile of snake plant. Grabe. Madali lang po dumami yung snake plant. So our place is mahugaway na. Grabe. Sobrang mainit dito.
I'm tired.
Okay, that's second round. But actually, Philip is the one who hauled all the excuse me, the snake plant here. I can't do it. Too much job. Okay, we're taking a relaxed here for a while.
Yeah. No kidding.
You're so wet, Daily.
Oh,
that's
so
good enough,
yeah.
Daily. So, I'm here.
Yeah. Nothing new.
So this one will work.
Oh, that works
I
good.
wish this one is like that oh.
No. Worse. You need that cross section, or
Oh,
what
flat.
it does is it just slides off. It'll slide to one side or the other. You want it so if you hit it right in the middle, it's going to cut it. It's not going to slide.
Is that sharp?
Yeah, well, sharp enough. I could sharpen it more, but I might hurt myself.
Yeah. This is so handy.
Wow, that looks so nice on you. Wow, the amount of work in it. Well, like I said, 4 days.
The original.
Yeah, that's... And I like that because it's heavy duty, but...
Hey, wait.
And we've always looked for a new head, but they don't have it. No such thing.
Yeah, he's become smaller now.
I
Because
could
you
weld a piece on there.
keep on sharpen this one. So finally, nalinis na po. Nakunan po ng, nabawasan po ng kalahati. Very clean. So, Philip, he is the one who pulled all the snake plant here. And of course, he dig the snake plant roots. So skinny now. Before it's so wide, really. I think it is 5 feet or 4 feet ang wide po niya. Tapos ngayon skinny na lang po. Very clean. So this is good for today, guys. Philip now resting. I'm the one who finished the left. Carry the junk one. So thanks everyone for watching. Bye for now. Thank you for your time. God bless everyone, and see you next video.